Hey, person who keeps coming back, you caught me off guard. Thank you for reminding me I forgot to reset my build.
Now he's like, thank you. You caught me off guard.
Also, just for your information, you lost 16 flux right now.
That was your flux,
You need to look
bro.
at your inventory.
That was your flux. That was your flux, buddy. That was your flux that you just got back.
You act like I cared. You really act like I cared.
I got 300 pounds off you, bro. I couldn't stash it all, man. I don't have first.
You got 300 pounds off me. Good job. I now have 300 less weight to give a shit about.
Cool. I'm happy to lighten your
Compared to my
load.
stash, which has so much good bullshit.
I'm happy to lighten your load, bro. I'm happy to lighten your load.
You're still ass at the game. It's fucking hilarious.
Okay.
I look at you have to spam stem packs over here. How does it feel to die by someone who isn't using a fucking actual build? I'm just using lift, weight build.
Yeah, your turrets are pretty deadly, dude. Turrets are pretty deadly.
Armor, why?
He's so salty. Oh my god, he's so salty.
Yeah.
He's just all the salt. All the salt.
Oh, he's so mad?
He's just talking mad shit. Hold on. I gotta save this clip.